Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to weave in your yarn ends in crochet. After you fasten off something and leave a long tail, you need to weave in the ends. That means you need to hide any remaining yarn tails you have in the fabric that you just crocheted. Pick a yarn tail and a tapestry needle with it. Stick the tapestry needle behind a bunch of those vertical verses. Pull the needle through at least 4 stitches. Pull it nice and tight, not too tight. Put the needle back through the same spots. But skip this loop here. Leave this loop alone and skip it. Then put my needle back under all those other stitches that they just went through. Pull tight. I'm done weaving in the yarn tail. I just need to cut the yarn tail as close as possible to the piece. Wiggle it around if the yarn tail end is kind of visible still. We need to do that to every single yarn tail.